Okay, second graders. Now we did talk about this a couple of times before break, but let's review. What do you do if you're dividing up a group of things into equal groups and then you have a few of them that are left over? Do you guys remember what we call that? Yep, a remainder. If something remains, it stays, right? Okay, so it's something that's left over. Let me show you an example. Let's say that we're out in our garden and we have, 63 little tomato plants. Not my favorite. I'm not a big fan of the tomato, but I know a lot of people are. So let's put some in our garden. Here we go. 63 tomato plants. And let's say we have 6 of our planters, our boxes that we can put them in. Okay. And we're decided we're going to put 10 in each of our planters. Okay. So here we go. So I'm going to keep going until I get to 63 and I'm going to stop. So here's a planter. That one's got 10. Here's another planter, 20, another planter, 30, another planter, 40, because we're putting 10 in each one. So actually I should write 10 in here. 10, 10, 10, 10. So that's 40, 40 of the plants we've put out there. Here's another 10, that's 50, 60. So we got all the way up to 60, but now we just have 3. Is there enough to put another planter out there of 10? No, we're going to have 3 tomato plants left over. Yuck. Okay. So we were able, if we took 63 and we divided it into groups of 10, that would be 6. We were able to do it 6 times. 6 planters with a remainder, so we'll put an R, of 3. A remainder of 3. Okay. Now, let's do one more of those. See if it makes sense to you. So let's say that we have 29 Boy Scouts. This will be great for you, Mr. Cyrus. Let's say we have 29 Boy Scouts who are going to go out and they're going to go camping. And we have some big tents that'll sleep 5 campers in each tent. Okay, so we have 29 campers. And we're going to put them into tents in groups of 5. How many tents can we have of 5? And is there anybody who's going to be left over? Are we going to have to put some leftovers in another tent? So let's see. Okay, well, if I need to, I can draw it, right? So I have 29 divided by 5, and we're trying to figure out how many tents we're going to need. Okay, well, let's start with 1 tent. That's going to be 5, 10, 15, 20. We have to get up to 29. 25. Up, another tent would be 30. That's too much. So we're at 25, and then we're going to have 26, 27, 28, 29. So we're going to have 5 tents of 5, and then we're going to have a remainder of 4 campers. They'll just have to be in a tent of 4. They're left over. They'll have fun. Don't worry about them. They'll have more room, right? Okay, so 29 divided by 5 is 5 with a remainder of 4. And one thing you can do as a mathematician is check your work. And one way to check your work, like we've done with addition and subtraction, is to go backwards. So this was division. What's the opposite of division? Multiplication. So let's start with our answer and let's multiply. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 4 more. 26, 27, 28, 29. Till we get back to where we started? I think we did the right thing. Okay, so go ahead and practice those. If you have your workbook, you can do the review 7 that starts on page 60. Okay, and it's 6 pages long. If you don't have that, don't worry. Again, you can go online to Khan or Prodigy, one of those, and do a search, and searching for doing division with remainders. Okay, great job, you guys. I'll see you next week. Bye.